Alright, before start using this Metasploit, we need to set up the database. This database can store all the output we use in the Metasploit, like scannings and enumeration and exploiting and post exploitation. All those details can be stored in this database, and we can export into the format which we like. So in order to use this database, we need to do some process, that is to set up this database. By default, this database is not connected, and the Metasploit uses PostgreSQL. This PostgreSQL is already installed in this Kali Linux machine, so you don't need to worry about this installation. All you need to type is msfdb. Now we can manage this Metasploit frameworks database. You can see the commands here. These are very simple, and you can there is a hash, like it's common to see what this command does. Msfdb init start and initialize the database. So reinit stands for deleting and reinitializing database, that is deleting all the tables and the databases and then initializing again. And msf delete just deletes the database. You can start database, stop database, and you can check the status of this database, and you can also run the database. So okay, now what I want to do is I will say msfdb delete, or simply I can say msfdb reinit. It will delete all the databases and initialize this again. Okay, now we should run this command as sudo. Type in this sudo and hit enter. So database already started. I have this database msf and msf underscore test. These are databases are going to be deleted, and then this msf user also going to be deleted. Now we are creating a new database called msf, and the user msf, and also database msf and msf underscore test. So now our database has been set. To check whether the Metasploit has been connected to this database, all you have to type is msf console. Don't worry about this console, we will be talking about this in the future videos. So it takes some time to start. As you can see, it's saying starting the Metasploit framework. In case if you did not set any databases, if you did not set the PostgreSQL database, then you will get error here, so saying that your database is not connected. So to check the database status, you need to type db underscore status, and it says connected to msf, connection type PostgreSQL. So we have successfully set up our database for msf console. So in future videos we will do some port scanning and other enumeration and exploits, so we can store these results in the database and we can export them. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood.